In this video, I'll show you how to switch accounts on Threads. This is useful if you manage multiple profiles, such as a personal account and a business account, and want to quickly move between them. First, open the Threads app on your phone. Once the app has opened, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Now, press and hold your profile icon in the bottom right corner. A small menu will appear showing any Threads accounts currently logged in on your device. From here, simply tap the account you want to switch to, and Threads will immediately switch you over to that account. If the account you want to use isn't listed, you can add it by tapping Add Profile and logging in with your other account. After adding it, you'll be able to switch between accounts using the same long press method. And that's it. That's how you switch accounts on Threads. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.